Attention fantasy football owners, are you ready for some football? Well, if you're playing on DraftKings Reignmakers and you're assembling a team, you need to know what are NFTs, these non-fungible tokens to buy and purchase your team. What are the tax implications? Well, there's really going to be two sets of circumstances in terms of how I see it, right? First, if you're fortunate enough to sell them at any point in the year for a profit, right? Then that's a short term. So you buy a token for X and you sold it for 2 times X, you made the difference, right? Congratulations, you made the gain. Now, most likely, if you don't sell for a gain or trade that, right, it's going to expire worthless. That NFT will have a limited shelf life. You buy it for whatever dollar value, it's worth 0. Now, whether or not it materializes in games, that'll come out on another spot. The only tax implication right now is on these non-fungible tokens. So how this is going to work to you is it's going to need to be reported on your Schedule D, which is for capital gains and losses. And you're going to need extra room, most likely, because there's going to be a ton of these, and it's going to get all the extra space you're going to need is going to go on extra 8949s, which are a supplement to the Schedule D. Now, you're going to need, in order to manage this, some sort of record keeping, right? So record keeping. Tax planning, though, is also critical. How do we want to do this? Well, look, I don't know. Are you making money or losing money? So our tokens are most likely, the most probable is we're going to have short-term losses. But always remember this. All of this is ultimately going to come out on your, in terms of short-term capital gains or capital losses, which are ultimately, if you lost, you're going to be limited to writing off those losses to $3,000 a year. That's all we're eligible. So if you're going to if you're going to earn a lot of money, make sure to reserve taxes, pay estimated taxes. Do not make that mistake when you get your money. Earmark it. Speak to a tax professional. But the most likely outcome is going to be with our non-fungible tokens. Going to be these are short-term in nature, so either a short-term capital gain or they're going to be short-term capital losses. Now, how the rest of your team operates and gets taxed, that's going to be a different component. Like everything in life, the devil's in the details. But listen, football time's here. It's exciting. Let's get ready. Do your research. And when you have more tax questions, you know who the guy to come to. And make sure to check out our free ebook on the 7 most common deductions your CPA is missing.